Rainy day comfort food. Let's make sinuwam na mais. You'll need sliced pork belly, minced garlic, minced onion, dahon ng sili, 1 cup of shrimp, vegetable oil, 4 pieces of native corn, 2 sachets of Maggi Magic Syrup. Now time to prep. First, slice the kernels of the corn from the cob and transfer in a bowl. Set aside. In a large pot, add in your vegetable oil and saute your minced garlic and minced onion. Next, add in your pork belly and saute until cooked. Then add your shredded corn, mix well, and pour water and simmer for 30 minutes. Then add 2 sachets of Maggi Magic Syrup. Next, add your shrimp. And lastly, add your dahon ng sili. And you're done! All that's left is to serve and enjoy. Enjoy the rainy season with a hot bowl of sinuwam na mais.